Hi you guys, what's good? It's your girl Ari, and today we're going to be making a, can you guess? 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 We're going to be making a DIY ring light. Oh my god! I'm really excited about this. I've been looking at like several videos of how other people make their ring lights, and I'm freaking ecstatic right now because I just think this is gonna be like, if this works, I'm going to be freaking elated, because who was not about to pay $200 for a Diva ring light is me, okay? I wasn't gonna do it. So this DIY is gonna be under $25, and hopefully it looks like really, really good. Hopefully it looks freaking phenomenal, and hopefully it's just gonna be the one, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna hop right into it. Hop into it. Let me not do that. Okay, you guys, so here are the items that you will need. You will need some zip ties or cable ties. Zip ties, same thing. 16-foot chapter LED rope lights. They don't have to be chapter, but you just want to make sure they're daylight LED rope lights. You will need a wire craft wreath. I kept saying wreath at the store. I felt so embarrassed. It's wreath. And just like a floral craft ring, or you can just use cardboard using this little thingy. You will also need some foil and some wax papier, and also scissors and some tape. Okay guys, so the first thing that you need to do before you start anything is make sure that your ring lights work, because a lot of times, you know, when you buy like electronics and stuff from the store, you have to make sure they work to save time and energy, you know, if they don't work, basically. Because that's really frustrating, having to go all the way back to the store to buy stuff when it should have worked the first time. You feel me? Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do, well, the second thing that I'm going to do is take some aluminum foil and wrap it around the edges of the cardboard wreath. Actually, I'm gonna put it on the shiny side. I don't know if I have to do this, but I'm gonna make sure the shiny side is out. I just wasted a lot of foil. You don't need that much foil, guaranteed. Be frugal with the foil now. Okay, now once your cardboard is completely covered, you just want to set it to the side. You do not have to buy one of these, just FYI for this DIY. So the next thing that I'm going to do is take my lights and start zip tying them to the wreath. And I have the part that's kind of bulging out. That's the part that I want to be facing me. You feel me? And I'm just going from the outer parts to the inner. Alright, so once you finish placing all of your zip ties around your wreath and your LED lights, it should look something like this. And now what I'm going to do is cut all of the little excess zip tie. So let me tell y'all about how I ordered these. You know how you can like order groceries and stuff from Walmart now? So I didn't know that you could order electronics and stuff too. So what I did was I ordered the LED lights yesterday from Walmart. I went there today to go pick them up, and they tried to give me something like totally different. I'm just like, that, like, the product description was completely different from what I ordered, and I'm just like, y'all some scammers, because it didn't even make sense. And then on top of that, what I tried to order online was like $6 more than when I just went into the store myself and found it and found these lights. They were tripping on there. I won't be ordering anything from, I won't be ordering my groceries anymore. I'll just go get them myself because these little places don't know how to act. Trying to scam me. Scammers. Alright, so we are almost finished, you guys. So the next thing we're going to do is put these two things together, and then we're going to set it up on the tripod and see how it works. Now, in order to attach the cardboard with the foil to the wreath, the wire wreath, I'm going to take some larger zip ties, some longer ones, and I'm just going to zip tie around the wreath like this, and then I'm going to attach the outermost ring of the wreath, and I'm going to attach it like that and make sure it's nice and tight so that it will be even.
Make sure that's really tight. Just doing the same thing here.
Okay, so I found an easier way to do this. I don't know why I made that so complicated at the beginning, but you can really just like wrap the thing around the thing. Alright, so there you have it. We have everything attached, and it should look a little something like this. So now I'm just going to mount it on my tripod.
I don't know. I'm not sure how to record that part.
Okay, so I went ahead and switched to my front camera because I wanted to see if I actually wanted to put the wax, that was a light, if I actually wanted to put the wax paper over everything or not. So I'm just going to test out one time real quick how it looks without the wax paper, and we shall see. Like, okay, I think I should probably add the wax paper. Let me turn the light off and see if I can tell the difference. Okay, so this is without and with. Oh, okay. That's what all the hype was about. I can definitely appreciate this. It's lit, y'all. Literally, it's lit. Okay, I think I'm gonna add the wax paper on it just because it's making my eyes hurt a little bit. Okay, so I'm just taking some regular Scotch tape, and I'm going to tape this wax paper to the bottom. Was that how tape? So I can't find any tape, you guys, so I'm just gonna use a hot glue gun. So I'm just taking my hot glue gun, securing the wax paper. You guys, Drum just added me on Snapchat, like as we speak. OMG. I'm too hype. I'm too hype right now. Because if you know me, you know that I love me some big baby Drum. Okay, so now we have the wax paper secured like that bag. We're gonna test it out, you guys. Let's test it. Let's test it. Let's test it out, you guys. So I'm gonna try to attach this to my to my tripod using zip ties. Okay, so I have attached the ring light to my tripod. And this made me realize how flimsy my tripod is. Oh. Anyways. Alright. Are y'all ready? For this jelly. Okay, this is with the lights on. I'm going to show you guys from darkness to light. Alright, you guys, you ready? What? Shine bright like a diamond. Oh, this is lit. That's the one. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did this. Ow. I just burned my finger on the freaking hot glue gun. Wow. I really did that. That is so neat. Oh my gosh, you guys. gosh. It's so cool. This lighting is bomb. Oh my gosh. Liddy. Yeah, I like it a lot. Ooh, curls popping. You can see every curl, every hello. Hello. And this is the front camera too. So I don't even know what the back camera looks like. I love it. All right, you guys. Are we out? Deuces. Whoa. Whoa. Run it on back when you're breaking it down for me. I think I'm finna just take selfies just because. Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'm so excited now.